Good afternoon. This is International Language Testing System powered by IDP. And I am here to assess the level of candidate number 111083. This is examiner Kamal. What is your full name?
My full name is Madhav Garg.
Madhav, does your name have any special or specific meaning?
Yes, my name has a very special meaning because it is the name of Lord Krishna, which is considered as a god.
Okay, let's talk about your hometown. Where do you come from?
I am from Sirhind, which is very small town in the district Fatehgarh Sahib.
Tell me something interesting about your hometown.
Well, my hometown has very good qualities such as good education and good hospitals.
Would you like to live there in the future as well?
Yes, I would like to live in future because of its very religious place, Shri Gurudwara Fatehgarh Sahib.
Do you think there is something for tourists in your hometown?
No, I did not think so. There are much tourist places in my hometown, but it has very famous place Khas Bagh, which local people can go.
Okay, let's talk about your house or apartment. Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in the apartment because I prefer much the congested places. I love to live there.
What is the difference you have seen between an apartment or a house?
Well, houses are of personal and houses are which are big and like apartments are small.
Which room in the house is your favorite and why?
Please.
Which room in the house or apartment is your favorite and why?
Well, living room in my house is a very favorite room for me because it has many.
Would you like to buy any house in the future? Why or why not?
Yes, I would like to buy a house in the future for my family.
What is the one thing you really like about your house?
The favorite thing at my house is very big.
Let's talk about social issues. India is a diverse country which is facing many social issues. Which social issue you concern most and why?
The biggest social concern in my country is
Yes, which one you think is most problem in your area and why?
in my country the pollution is the most big problem in my country because nowadays there are many vehicles.
Okay, do you think social issues are still there in your area and country now?
Yes, according to me there are many social reasons which are now available in my country.
What do you think about those issues like a dowry system?
Yes, in the marriages the dowry system has been more expanded nowadays.
What is dowry system according to you?
According to me, dowry system means that the girls' parents give money to the boys.
Do you think government is responsible for this social evil in your area or society or people?
No, according to me, government is not responsible for this system. According to me, we are only responsible persons to this.
What are some things you would suggest to the society or government so they would mitigate this social issue like dowry system?
That the parents can do love marriages of their children and so that this issue can be resolved.
Do you believe one day India will be a dowry-free nation?
Yes, according to me, in the future, India will be a dowry-free system.
How? Explain.
In the future, the government make sure plans to control this system.
Would you say if youngsters should start saying no to the dowry system, this could be one of the greatest solution for dowry system?
Yes, sir.
How? Explain.
If youngsters can take step for this system.
What are some other things you would like to suggest to the society apart from no to dowry system?
I would like to prefer to the people.
What do you do in your free time?
I will do painting in my free time.
Why do you like painting?
Because in the leisure time I feel very relaxed and comfortable.
Okay, that's all for the first section, Madhav. Now it's time to discuss the second part of the IELTS speaking test. This is the second section. In this section, you will be given one printed cue card, and on this topic, you will have on 1 minute for notes and preparation. And today, your cue card is number 8. Describe a beautiful sky or sunset, and you will have on 1 minute, and your time start now. Okay, Madhav, stop writing. Could you please start now?
As we are living in the 21st era, the sky changes day by day. I remember at last week I was in my hometown with my family. I was watching a movie with my parents. The sky was very good at that time. The weather was very good and I feel very relaxed and comfortable to the weather. The sky color was pale yellow color. With at that time I feel very good and I feel over the moon there. And I do many various things with my parents, like playing games and eating new dishes. At that time I feel more relaxed and comfortable.
Okay, let's talk about third section. That's all for the second part of the IELTS speaking test. This is third part of the IELTS speaking test, and in this section, I like to ask some question about sky. Do people in your country often look at the sky?
Yes, in my country it is very popular to look in the sky because everybody has a hectic schedule. Some of the people watch the sky.
Do you like any particular star in the sky?
Yes, at night every day I sit in the balcony of my house and I see stars.
What comes to your mind when you think about beautiful blue sky, and why?
The most important thing comes in my mind is that I feel very relaxed at that time. The weather was very pretty good.
When was the first time you look at the sky, and why?
I remember when the plane was going over the sky, I see in the sky and I feel very good.
Do you believe sky gazing or sky watching activity will popular more in the future?
Sorry, sir.
Do you think this activity looking at the sky will increase more in the future?
No, according to me, looking to sky is not much popular in my country.
Why? Explain more. May I know why?
Because the people have very hectic schedule. The people do not have much time to do this type of things.
Do you think there is any occasion in your country when people look at the sky?
Yes, in the Independence Day is the best day to look at the sky because at that day many balloons and crackers are.
Why is it important to explore space? Next question, how can learning about space impact the daily lives of people?
By learning to the space, people can get very knowledge and knowledgeable things and for the future.
Okay, apart from Earth, do you like any planet? Do you like any other planet?
Yes, I like the planet Jupiter because it is 1300 times bigger than my planet Earth. It has near about 4 moons.
Will people find life on other planets?
Yes, according to me, nowadays scientists are searching for the life in the planets, which will people can go there in the future.
Okay, according to you, when will humans live on other planets?
According to me, after 100 years, it take time of 100 years to live in the other planet.
Why do you think like that? May I know?
Because scientists are searching day by day the new things.
Which is the safest planet for human being according to you, and why?
According to me, Earth is the very safest planet on this universe because Earth has water and green vegetation.
Okay, Madhav, that's all for the third section as well. And that's all for today's pre-IELTS speaking test. You can leave now. Thank you.
Thanks.